Hello, my friends. How are you today? I hope you're having a really good day. This is Teacher Nada, your teacher for the session. Okay, so the title of our session is Writing About My Family. So let's learn how to write about our families. Alright, such an interesting topic, I know. Okay, here we have the learning outcomes, and simply these are things you're supposed to know by the end of the session. So let me read them for you. By the end of the session, you'll be able to, number one, describe family members using comparative adjectives. 2. Use sentence structures like my sister is taller than me. 3. Write a short paragraph about their family. Okay, yeah, so far so good. So let's just jump into the warm-up activity and yeah. Here we have a picture or image of a family, all right? So I need to ask you some questions. Okay, so let's imagine that this is your family, all right? So in your family, who is the funniest person? Okay, your cousin, wow. And in your family, who is the tallest person? Your dad, wow, okay. And in your family, who is the quietest person? Your sister. Okay, this is so good. Thank you. Yeah, this is amazing. All right. Well, right now you have a video that you have to watch for 3 times, and after watching, we will answer some questions. But please, before going and watching, I need you to read the question, all right? So question 1, who is taller, Omar or his brother? Question 2, who is more hardworking in Lena's family? 3. Who is the funniest person in Lena's family? 4. Who does Omar compare his dad to? 5. What does Omar say about his uncle? Okay, yes. Now please, you have to go and watch the video for 3 times and then get back so we can answer them together.
I have a big family. My brother is taller than me.
Really? My sister is younger than me, but she is taller too.
My dad is stronger than my uncle.
My mom is more hardworking than my dad.
Who is the funniest in your family?
My grandmother, she tells the best jokes.
I have a big family. My brother is taller than me.
Really? My sister is younger than me, but she is taller too.
My dad is stronger than my uncle.
My mom is more hardworking than my dad.
Who is the funniest in your family?
My grandmother, she tells the best jokes.
I have a big family. My brother is taller than me.
Really? My sister is younger than me, but she is taller too.
My dad is stronger than my uncle.
My mom is more hardworking than my dad.
Who is the funniest in your family?
My grandmother, she tells the best jokes.
Okay, welcome back. So yes, question 1, who is taller, Omar or his brother? Yes, it's Omar, thank you. Question 2, who is more hardworking in Lena's family? More hardworking. Yes, her mom, thank you. Question 3, who is the funniest person in Lena's family? Yes, her grandmother, thank you. Well, who does Omar compare his dad to? Yes, his uncle, thank you, thank you. Yeah, and what does Omar say about his uncle? Yes, he said that my dad is stronger than my uncle. Yeah, good job. Okay, so now let's see you in the vocab part. Well, so let's learn some words related to our topic, all right? So the first one is tall, tall, The opposite is short, short. So yeah, my brother is taller than me. I am shorter than my brother. Okay, good job. Let's read them together and please repeat. Tall, tall, short, short. Good job. Then we have strong. Strong, yeah, strong, okay. The opposite is weak, weak, weak. Good job. Then we have funny, funny. Someone who laughs a lot, you know, he can tell jokes even. Funny. Yeah, the opposite is serious, serious, serious. Good job. Then we have hardworking. Someone who's working a lot all the time or most of the time he's working, you know, he's hardworking. The opposite is lazy. Someone who sits like this doing nothing. Okay, he is lazy, lazy. All right, then we have smart. Smart, smart. Okay, then we have friendly. Someone who's like easygoing, he can speak to people in a good way, he's friendly, he's a kind person. Yeah, friendly. We have kind, kind, kind. The person who likes to help people, you know, he's kind. Then we have quiet, quiet, quiet. Yes? Okay, let's jump into our first practice. So, all we have to do is just to match the words with the definitions or with the sentences. Yes. So, number one, someone who works a lot. Hardworking, thank you. Someone who makes jokes, like he tells funny things. Funny, yes. Someone who is not loud. Quiet, good job. Someone who is not short. Not short means he is, yes, tall, good job. Someone who is very nice to people. Thank you, he is kind. Well, someone who is not weak. Strong, thank you. Someone who is not lazy. Hardworking. Yeah, someone who talks to many people. Yes, friendly. And someone who studies a lot. Smart, thank you. Yes. Okay. So let's see you in the phonics part. Okay. So in the phonics, we have the sound A. Actually, this letter or this sound has two sounds. The short one and the long one. The short one sounds like dad, dad, fat, happy, right? And the long ones like a, lazy, cake, brave, a. Yes, good job. So let's see you in the reading part. Okay, in the reading we have a small text that we have to read, then we will answer a couple of questions. So yeah, I have a wonderful family. My mom is kinder than anyone I know. She's also more hardworking than my dad. My dad is funnier than my mom, but he's lazier too. My brother is younger than me, but he's taller. My grandmother is the best cook in the family. She makes delicious food. We all love spending time together. Okay, this is so good. So let's answer the questions. Question 1. Who is kinder, the mom or dad? Yes, the mom, thank you. Well, who is taller, brother or the writer? Brother, good job. Third question, what is the grandmother good at? Exactly, she's good at cooking, yeah. Okay, this is so good. So let's see you in the grammar part, okay? Yes, here in the grammar we'll speak about the comparisons, how to make comparisons, all right? Well, so the rule is very easy and simple. I just give you the secret. So for short adjectives, just add er. So for example, tall, it's a short adjective, right? It's only tall, yeah? Just add er, so taller than. Kind, also short, so kinder than. All right? While for the long adjectives, just leave the word as it is and just add the word more before it. So for example, hardworking, it's a long one, right? Just add more. So it will be more hardworking or more intelligent. Good, good. And of course, use than to compare two things, like shorter than, more intelligent than, and so on. Well, here we have to go to our second practice, and simply all you have to do is just to choose the correct answer. Okay, so here we go. Number 1. My sister is taller than me. Yes, taller than me. Good job. Question 2. My mom is than my dad. More hardworking. Great. 3. My brother is than me. Funnier than me. Good job. My grandmother is than everyone. Kinder than everyone. Good job. My uncle is than my dad. Stronger. Good job. My dad is than my mom. Yes, lazier than. Good job. My cousin is than my sister. More friendly than my sister. Good job. And yeah, that was it for the grammar. So now I need you to create a family poster and present it. How? Well, I'll tell you how. So I need you to draw a simple family tree, okay, with names and descriptions for each member or each person, all right? Well, and after drawing, you have to describe your family member using comparisons. Like you have to compare between each member and the others, all right? Who's taller than the other, who's funnier, who's stronger, and so on, okay? Like this one, as you can see. Okay, let me just ask you, what did you learn today? Yeah, that is awesome. So this marks the end of our session for today. Thank you so much for attending, and I hope to see you in the next session. Don't forget your homework. Bye-bye.